On the 17th of January 2014, New Delhi was treated to a one-of-a-kind roadshow at the Lalit Hotel. Officials from China and India got together to announce the 115th year of the world-famous Canton Fair at a gathering held to invite participation from India. A packed hall of local business owners listened in carefully to the advantages of attending the fair.
Exhibiting in Canton Fair gives you two opportunities. One is to get connected to China market. Secondly, you're going to get an opportunity to get connected to almost over 200 plus countries visitors coming to Canton Fair. So it's an excellent opportunity. I think Rio has been very proactive. I think they will be too happy to support you and guide you.
The honorable presence of Mr. Ma Shunzi, Vice President of the China Foreign Trade Center, and Mr. Wang Hejun, Economic and Commercial Counselor of the Embassy of the Federal Republic of China in Delhi, gave a sense of the high-level professionalism and organization to expect at the fair.
很高兴能在美丽的新德里与新老朋友共聚一堂。今天我们在这里推介第115届中国进出口商品交易会，也就是大家耳熟能详的广交会。首先，请允许我代表广交会的主办单位中国对外贸易中心，对中国驻印度大使馆经商处和奥比斯公司给予的大力支持表示衷心的感谢，对在座的各位莅临表示热烈的欢迎。
I'm very much honored to attend today's promotion conference of the 115th session of China Import and Export Fair. First of all, on behalf of the Embassy of China in India, I'd like to extend my warmest welcome and sincere gratitude to all of you for your long-term efforts and valuable support to the development of China-India cooperation relations. I sincerely welcome all the Indian friends from various business circles to attend the 115th session of Canton Fair, not only to showcase your products and services, but also to interact with Chinese businessmen and those from other parts of the world. I believe that the 115th session will be graced with your support.
Mr. Ajay Sahai, Director General and CEO of the Federation of Indian Export Organizations, shared his outlook as well.
In 2013, China has crossed 4 trillion mark in EXIM trade. China's exports in 2013 was $2,210 billion, and they made an import of $1,950 billion, leaving a surplus of $260 billion. This all has been possible because of the proactive, positive, pivotal role played by the government of China, CCPIT, CFTC, embassies of China across the globe, and I think they deserve the compliment on that. The short point which I am making is that there is need to showcase our products to China. Take the opportunity of the platform offered by Canton Fair. We are also organizing similar fair in Chengdu, Kunming. There are few B2B fairs, there are few B2C fairs. But please do showcase your products in China.
A screening of a short film on the highlights of the Canton Fair was also screened to give a visual insight into one of the best trade fairs in the world. An indulgent lunch ended the session, leaving people with one more exciting reason to visit the fair: real Chinese food in China.